Master these two powerful candlestick patterns. If you understand these patterns, you can start reading the market like professional Forex and crypto traders. A hammer usually appears after a downtrend. Small body at the top, long lower wick. Shows rejection of lower prices. Sellers pushed the market down hard, but buyers stepped in aggressively and forced price back up. This signals sellers are losing strength. Buyers may take control. Possible trend reversal upward. Look, the green candles confirm it. Bullish momentum is dominating. The reversal is here. This is our victory. A shooting star usually appears after an uptrend. Momentum is weakening. We need to be cautious. Watch for confirmation. This could signal a reversal. Buyers pushed price higher, but sellers entered strongly and pushed the market back down. Never trade candlestick patterns alone. Always confirm with support and resistance zones. Then check RSI for divergence and volume analysis. And finally, analyze the overall market structure. Remember, the wick tells the real story of market rejection.